Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the lip sync feature in CapCut mobile, just step by step. This tool is perfect for music videos or dubbing or making sure your talking clips match the audio perfectly. You can even create a funny lip sync videos from a photo, and just let's get started. First, open your CapCut and create a new project. Then import the video clips or photo where the face is clearly visible. Make sure there's good lighting and clear view of the lips. It will help CapCut detect lip movements accurately. In this tutorial, I will choose these photos. Next, just adjust the durations and then tap on the clips. Then scroll the bottom toolbar and select lip syncs. This one, just tap it. And here you can choose a voice styles and select a lip sync models. That there are two options, the standard model, which is faster to generate, and the vivid models, which adds more expressions but it takes a bit longer. And to create a lip sync, you have a few options. You can type the words you want to character to say, or add audio by extracting audio from another videos, or choose music from CapCut's library or your device, or even you can record your voice directly. On this tutorial, I will choose the voice, this voice.
Enter what you want the person to.
And I will use a standard model. Then type the words that the character will say. Maybe I will type like this. And then just tap generate. And once it's done, just try to play your videos.
Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel.
Okay, once your lip sync video is done, you can enhance your video by adding filters or effects or animations or even a text. And when you're happy with the result, just tap the export and save your videos. And maybe that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you.